Peanuts and your health after 60, what I discovered shocked me. I started noticing joint stiffness and digestive discomfort. At first, I thought it was normal aging. But trusted sources like WHO, Mayo Clinic, and NID explain that peanuts affect digestion, fat intake, and blood sugar differently after 60. This video shares my honest journey with humor, practical lessons, and science. Peanuts are rich in protein, healthy fats, and micronutrients. Studies in the Journal of Nutrition highlight that moderate intake supports heart health and satiety. I learned that overconsumption can lead to digestive discomfort or slower metabolism in older adults. Small portions are enough to gain benefits without stress on the body. Some people may have allergies or sensitivities. NIH research notes that even mild intolerance can worsen with age. I tested small portions and monitored how my body responded. Effects vary depending on your metabolism, gut health, and overall diet. Always consult a doctor before making dietary changes. Practical ways I added peanuts safely: use a small handful as a snack. Add chopped peanuts to salads or oatmeal. Avoid roasted or salted excess. Rotate with other nuts for variety. Possible side effects include mild bloating if overconsumed. Start gradually and track your reaction. Tracking progress helped me see changes in digestion, energy, and weight. Journaling each meal allowed me to notice patterns. After weeks, I felt more comfortable, energized, and balanced. This journey showed me that even healthy foods need mindful portions after 60. Balance, awareness, and consistency make the biggest difference. Your body responds best to small, gradual, science-backed adjustments. Like and share if this helped. Start small today and notice positive changes.